Hello, this video is to help you use Zoom for missing lectures or labs on snow days. You can use Zoom without installing the application via the web. In order to use Zoom, first go into mycharger.newhaven.edu/web/mycharger/Zoom. Then find the Zoom login button, which appears as follows. Once you click that link, you'll be given an option to either join, host, or sign in. For ease, you want to host your first meeting. When you have more time, you can sign in and configure your account. You can click to invite participants. Then you'll see that you have two options on the bottom, either copy the URL or copy the invitation. If you copy the invitation, the URL and all of the details will be in the copy, and then you can paste it into your Outlook and send the email to all of your students, or directly into the Hawks communication system where all your students are already copied, or in Blackboard as an announcement. Lots of options. You'll notice at the bottom of the Zoom screen, you have a whole bunch of choices. Start with clicking Manage Participants, and then you can click Play Enter and Exit Chime all the way on the right. That will let you know when students enter the room. You can click Share if you would like to use the whiteboard or to use Hawks in your browser. That can share your screen, so if you wanted to pull up a particular problem, it will help you do that. And then the chat feature is great for addressing student questions. So the students don't have to use their audio to ask you the questions. They can type something into the chat. You also can have the option to directly communicate with only one student at a time. So if a student doesn't want to ask the entire group a question, they will make it so that they only send it to you. The chat is here on the right. That's where you see the scrolling. You can also address one particular student at a time as well, and that option is all contained here on the right as well. When you click Share, you're going to have this option come up where all the windows and all the options based on what machine you're using will be introduced. So here's where you would select either the whiteboard or your web browser that you're using to share the Hawks questions. For the most part, those are the two things you're going to use primarily. Once you select, make sure you click Share right here on the bottom right. When you're sharing, if you'd like to stop sharing and give your students an opportunity to share their screen, you have to click Stop Share, which is right here on the bottom in red next to your meeting ID. Then you can also record the meeting that you have. So if you click Record on the bottom, it'll give you the option to save either to your computer or to your cloud. I would suggest saving to your cloud to make the linking afterward easier. This will also help with students who cannot attend the online session for whatever reason, and you can hold them accountable for attending the class afterward, watching the recording. And then here's where you're going to end the meeting as well. Hope you've enjoyed the background sounds of the neighborhood snowblowers and the Rivers children. Have a great day.